went on the boiled egg diet and lost 5 kilograms every week. Let's face it, being overweight can affect your health in more ways than one. Yes, besides looking less than perfect in the mirror, you may have to deal with several different health-related problems. Think diabetes, heart disease, and the likes. But hey, a pretty weird one to say the least. I found that you can actually eat your way slim, and this time, boiled eggs happen to be the superfood that actually works. Yes, my curiosity led me to try the egg diet, and the results have been amazing. I actually lost up to 5 kilograms every week. Why boiled eggs? First off, eggs are rich sources of nutrients, chiefly protein, and minerals like magnesium, calcium, and zinc. What's more, this superfood is chock full of vitamins, including vitamin C, B2, B12, B5, A, and E. But that's not all. Eggs are also an excellent source of healthy fats. Trust me, for nutrition, eggs are super hard to beat. So yes, the boiled egg diet is as healthy as can be, and unlike other plans out there, the egg diet is incredibly easy to follow. It's nothing like strict diets that leave you starving and craving for high-calorie foods and unhealthy snacks right off the bat. With this in mind, you won't be wrong to stick to the egg diet if you're ready to shed some extra pounds in the quickest possible time. Yes, I mentioned quick for a reason. It's not recommended to use this diet for long periods of time. Why? Well, it's only because your body will need a full dose of healthy nutrients in the long run. Pretty sure you get the point. Want to know the great thing about this diet? You're likely to see amazing results in as little as 1 week. Yes, your dream body is literally a few weeks away. In fact, I started seeing great changes just 1 week into the diet plan. It's that effective. And I'll recommend you drink lots of water while on this diet. As you already know, hydration is key to good health. Alright, now that we're done with the all-important intro, let's get into the diet plan. The egg diet plan. Remember, the primary ingredient is eggs, so be sure to get lots of it. Yes, I'm saying this because you're still going to mix it up with some other healthy foods. Now let's check out the diet plan. Just so you know, it's going to be centered on what you're supposed to eat for 1 week. Day 1. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs, 1 cup of low-fat milk, and 2 oranges. Lunch: 6 ounces of skinless chicken and a cup of Greek yogurt. Dinner: 1 boiled egg, 1 orange, and 4 ounces of boiled chicken meat. Day 2. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs and lemon juice. Lunch: 1 serving of roasted fish and 1 grapefruit. Dinner: just eat 3 hard-boiled eggs. Day 3. Breakfast: 3 scrambled eggs. You can choose to spice it up with parsley, dill, and onion. Lunch: 1 serving of cooked chicken and green vegetable salad. Just stick to cucumber, leafy greens, and arugula. Dinner: 1 hard-boiled egg and 2 oranges. Day 4. Breakfast: warm lemon juice and 2 hard-boiled eggs. Lunch: 1 serving of boiled beef meat and 1 grapefruit. Dinner: just stick to 3 hard-boiled eggs. Day 5. Breakfast: 2 hard-boiled eggs, 2 carrots, and 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Lunch: 2 poached eggs, carrots, and tomatoes. Dinner: 1 serving boiled or tinned fish and salad. Day 6. Breakfast: 1 glass of Greek yogurt and 1 fresh orange or lemon. Lunch: 2 boiled eggs and 2 grapefruits. Dinner: just drink a glass of water. Day 7. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs, a slice of dry toast, and 1 tomato. Lunch: 6 ounces of beef meat and 1 orange or grapefruit. Dinner: once again, drink 1 glass of fresh water. And that's it, the ultimate egg diet plan. Now you can start doing what you do best. Eat your way to your dream body. Good luck!